Good morning, Algebros. We're back in fifth period for a little bit today. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. So, if you can hear me over the louds, it's still frozen over there. Okay, that one's frozen, that one's frozen. All right, so we're going over the end behavior of these polynomials, okay? So, that's... And can't wait to send this out to some parents. Anyways, so in behavior, there's certain situations, things that's needed. If the degree is odd and the leading coefficient is positive, it goes like this. Okay? I'm not going to sit here and read all this over and over. It's just better to try to do one. Kind of like, other things. Alright, so first thing we have to do is put this in standard form. That means highest exponent first. So this would be negative 7x to the 6th minus 5x to the 4th plus 7x to the 3rd plus x squared minus 9x plus 2. Alright, so the degree is 6. Now, is this degree even or odd? Even. Is the LC, the leading coefficient, that's this number, is this positive or negative? Alright, so since the degree is even and the LC is negative, so we look over here and it's going to be this one right here. This is what we're looking at. Alright, so it says f of x. That's basically the y value. The y value continues on to negative infinity as x goes to negative infinity. Over here on the right, the y goes to negative infinity as the x goes to infinity. Basically, this says no matter how far you go to the left in the negative direction, all your y's are going to still go negative. No matter how far you go to the right, in a positive direction, all your y's go to the negative direction. And that's it. Okay? It goes by each one. Alright? So, let's look at number 1. Well, I had it and didn't get it and lost it and... Okay. Where's this? Copied. Alright, so before the phone rang and everything else and people still acting like they're in elementary school. Alright, so let's look here. Standard form. Alright, we actually have two terms that are the same, so we have to combine like terms. This now becomes negative 1x to the 3rd. You could actually just write it as negative x to the 3rd. It doesn't matter. Alright, and then these two. Alright, so 6 minus 3, positive 3x. Alright, what is our degree of this polynomial?
3.
And that is even or odd?
Even.
The LC is positive or negative? Alright, so when it's odd, and the LC leading coefficient, that's the number out in front. Alright, so it's going to be this one. So, as f of x is going to go to positive infinity as x goes to negative infinity. And f of x goes to negative infinity as x goes to positive infinity. Yeah. I love how people are telling other people to be quiet, but yet they're louder. All right. Oh my gosh. Now, number 2. Number 2. It didn't copy. Control C. Control V. All right. So, first things first on the real list. Drop it down like the whole real Phyllis. All right. So the degree is 4, which is even. The LC, leading coefficient, that's the biggest number, is negative. So when it's even, coefficient's negative, so bottom right. So,
Oh, okay. I get it.
You get it?
I didn't.
I'm so happy.
all right. So we good with number 2?
Yes.
Anybody need more time? Okay. Control C.
Wait, we do the next one.
Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all do the next one on your own because some of y'all are already doing it. Oh, I forgot for a second. I'm sorry. I was trying to pick on somebody and they couldn't control something. All right.
Did you just say I'm smarter than Mr. Jeffries and he's gone?
Now, yes,
Did I combine the negative 4x's?
you should because they're like terms. 7x to the 6 minus 3x to the 5th. Minus x, so this would be 6. Even. Positive. So even. So standard form should be 7x to the 6th minus 3x to the 5th minus 8x. The degree is 6. Okay, and that's even or odd? Even. And the LC, that I think this is like the 4th or 5th time I've said that now. Leading coefficient. Okay, it's positive. So even and positive. This one right here.
Wait, yeah, the top right, is that not positive, and then the bottom left is negative?
What do you mean?
For the left of graph and article?
See, this should be positive as x goes to the negative. Yeah, it's this one right here.
Yeah, but that's just, it's positive, positive, negative. Yeah.
Oh. So no, f of x. Well, I'm also confused because I don't know what they're talking about and people. So let's hang on a second.
Why she thinks that the bottom left corner is negative instead of the top right.
All right. So f of x is positive. That's what this is. As x goes to negative. I don't have it written like this. I don't have it top and bottom like the chart. Okay. That's why there's some confusion, is because I don't have it written like the chart. All right. Yep. Yeah, I had to do it like this because that way you would look at the left side and then the right side. All right. To the back. Synthetic division. So, It says first put the opposite number of binomial on timeout box. All right, here's the binomial. This is minus 5. What's the opposite of minus 5? Positive 5. It goes right here in the timeout box, kind of like in hockey. All right, now, second, put all the coefficients across the top. Coefficients are the numbers in front of x. Well, this one, so this is going to go 1, 1, 12. Okay. So everybody's got the 5 in the timeout box and 1, 1, 12 across the top, correct? All right. So the first thing we do is drop this first number down. That's just the rule. Okay? So now this next part can seem confusing, but the more we do it, the better it gets. All right, so now we actually say the number in the timeout times this. Well, what's 5 times 1? Okay, it goes here. All right. And this is positive and this is positive, so what's 1 plus 5? 6. Awesome. This, now we say 5 times 6 is 30. And they're both positive. Okay, so 12 plus 30 is 42. Okay, basically we are done with the division part. Now, here's where some people will get lost, so try to stay with me. This was to the second power, correct? All right, our answer is always going to be 1 less than that. All right, so what's 1 less than x squared? X, okay, so we have that. So it's x plus 6 because this is, now, we ran out of stuff for this 42 in the back. Remainder 42. Now, everybody's like, I don't get it. Well, it's the first one. You're not supposed to get on the first one. I'm not that great of a teacher. Some of y'all are like, yeah, I know. I don't know because I don't pay attention. All right. So, now, this is one of the, you're not supposed to get this. I didn't get this at the first time. Okay? So, let's go through the process. All right, so number 4, this is our timeout box. All right, so what's the opposite of minus 3? Okay. Now, the numbers in here, this goes 1, 6, and 1. So 1, 6, 1. All right. Now, what do you do with this first number always?
Drop her down.
Drop it like it's hot. All right. Now, we say timeout number times this. All right, so what's 3 times 1?
3.
Okay. All right. So, and these are positive, so we add, so this becomes 9. All right. This one we say 3 times 9 is 27. And then this adds to 28. Now, again, yep, so we're going to start with x to the first plus 9, that's our constant, and then what about the 28? All right. So number 5, timeout box. All right, so what goes in the timeout box? All right. Across the top. All right, first number, we drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the kids try to get at you, drop it like it's hot. All right, so negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Now, negative 4 minus 4, or negative 4 plus negative 4, whichever one you say, this is going to be negative 5. And this is going to be positive 10. So now it's 15. All right, so 2 to the first minus 5, remainder 15. Whoops. No, you don't have to do the one. I just did. I guess I had a, spasm or something. All right, so now these first few is about getting the pattern. Okay, once you get the pattern, then you keep going. Bless you a couple times. Until you get to a problem like number 6.
Yeah, 6 is weird.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. First, we start, let's, do the stuff with the things. So this, all right, what's the opposite of minus 5? All right. So, as we look at this polynomial right here, this is x squared and 25. Well, this is, 1x to the second, and then plus 25. This is x to the 0, actually. What are we missing in the middle? A x term. So we have to put a 0 right there. Not really. It's not that fabulous. Okay, so yeah, you have to have a placeholder for each power of x, even if it's not written. Okay. First number, drop it like it's hot. All right. 5 times 5 is, all right. Wait, what? Whoa, where did I get a 5 from?
Yeah, I was doing the same thing.
Why did y'all let me do that? Oh, I got, all right, so this would be a 1, sorry.
It's not okay.
It's not okay? Okay. So, and this would be, now this would be 5.
Oh, I done this wrong. Yeah,
I did it right.
And then 5 times 5 is 25, which would be 50. So our answer is x plus 5, remainder 50. All right. Now, look at number 7. All right. Negative 2, that's in our timeout box. All right. Do we have all the powers of x listed? Because this goes 3 to 1. So it's 1x to the third, then a 0, because there's no x, 0x is supposed to be right here, minus 2.
yeah, you are.
Okay. All right. All right. So somehow I lost y'all from listing it. So x to the third plus 0, x squared minus 2x. Yes, you have to, like we did over here, you have to have a placeholder. So this is the third, second, 1. Okay.
That's goofy.
Well, remember, when math doesn't make sense, remember what they use like Tylenol. Opium. All right, so 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2. All right. 2 times negative 2 is 4. All right. Whoops. And this gives us 2. All right. And then 2 times 2 gives us -4. 8 minus 4 is 4. All right, now, this had an x to the third, so we got to do one less than that.
X squared.
X squared minus 2x plus 2, remainder 4. Now, I could have actually made y'all do this by long division. This is the shortcut. I didn't even show y'all long division because I would rather be on a desert island with people I don't get along with than have to do synthetic division. Okay. All right. All right, so before we do, all right, there is a misprint right here. I try to remember. I think this is supposed to be a positive. I'm sorry. There's a typo. Look, yep. Now, so let's look at the powers of x. This says 4, 3, 2, none. Uh-oh. We're missing x to the first. Yes. Okay. So what goes in the timeout box? Numbers across the top. No. -12. 18. 0. 10. Somebody said A, and I was like, A is not a number. I'm joking. Chill out. All right. So, -4 times 1 is... Okay. This becomes -16. Yeah, this gets some big numbers. You know, big numbers are okay. They need love too. All right, -4 times 16 is 64. 92. Maybe that was supposed to be a minus. Who knows? I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
It's 82. Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh, I guess it's 82. Okay. All right, -4 times 82. Well, I know this is going to be a negative. What is that, 328?
Yeah.
Something like that.
And or so I know this is going to be a positive. 1312. That was a good year. Plus, I'm not that old. Well, you know, my social security number only has 4 digits in it. So, I did put 1322. That's what you said. No, but you got to add the 10.
Oh, that's right. My bad.
Yeah, if I would write better and everything would be lined up, it would make more sense. There we go. That's more better. All right. So this would be, all right. So we start with x to the 4th. So this would be x to the third. 16x. Plus 82. Minus 328. Remainder 1,322. Woo! Oh. All right. This is the last one, correct? Yes. Woohoo! All right. So this has a power of 3 and then a power of 1. We're missing something else again.
2.
So 2x to the third plus 0x squared minus 15 x plus 23. All right, so what's in the timeout box? Okay, and then we should go 2, 0, negative 15, and a 23. All right, so 2 times 2 is awesome. And 0 plus 4 is, all right. 2 times 4 is, okay. And this would be minus 7. And then 2 times negative 7, negative 14. And this would be 9. All right. So 2x squared plus 4x minus 7 remaining 9. All right. And believe it or not, we are actually done. And it's almost time for lunch. So don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.